My Japanese curry with chickpeas is the perfect cozy dinner, with chunks of potatoes, carrots, and chickpeas all in a creamy, flavorful curry sauce. To start, you're going to want to prep all your veggies by peeling and slicing into bite-sized pieces. Heat the margarine in a large pot over medium-high, add the celery, garlic, and ginger. Cook until celery is translucent. Then add the carrots, potatoes, hot curry powder, and garam masala. Cook that for 2 minutes or until spices smell fragrant. Add the chickpeas, vegetable broth, ketchup, soy sauce, and sugar. Bring that to a boil and then let simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until vegetables are tender. Stir in the frozen edamame beans and cornstarch slurry. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until thickened. At this point, you can now season to taste with salt. Serve with steamed rice and garnish with fresh basil and white or black sesame seeds. You can find all the details and the written recipe over on my blog, veganeverytime.com, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!